Fly, my friends, fly. Swooping down. They swoop and they howl, they cackle. They rattle on my window frames, the fucking seagulls every morning. Good God, this time, fucking hell. Birds everywhere. I was having a sausage supper on the fucking seaside, that was a big mistake. Birds swoop down, take the battered sausage out of my hand, spill my chips everywhere. I paid fucking $6.50 for those chips. But I learned something from that seagull. I learned about focus, determination, accuracy, and ruthlessness. But sometimes we need in this big bad world. Birds, it's all birds. Swooping. We got any birds in tonight? Oh sorry, you can't say that anymore, can you? Fuck. Right. No, I meant the one with wings. I wasn't saying about women and that. I would never call a woman that. I'm very woke. Very sorry. Right. But seriously, if there are, I mean, I'm free later and I'm single, you know what I mean? But right, lovely to see you. Whether you're a woman or a man or anything else, it's really good to see you tonight. And let's swoop together. Here we go, swoop. Come on, spread those wings, people, spread those wings. It's the seagull line. It's the seagull line. across the nose. Yeah, gliding, swooping, swooping, swooping. What's a battered sausage, mate?